In this video, I will put you through on how to lock apps on your iPhone. This works for iPhones that support iOS 18. So if you have not upgraded your iPhone to iOS 18, check the description of this video. I have a guide there that will put you through on how you can do this. All right? So let's get into it right away.
To lock any app that you don't want any person to easily have access to on your iPhone running iOS 18, long press on the app. Okay, here I'm on the home screen. So let's say this app named YouTube Studio. I want to lock it. All right, I will long press on it. On long pressing on the app, you will see some options. Then select the option require Face ID. On doing that, you will see this. It says require Face ID for YouTube Studio. The app will require Face ID or your passcode to open. Alright, so tap on require Face ID. Then place your face. Good. This app is now locked. So anytime I want to open it, it will require my Face ID or my passcode. If I do not insert it, I will not be able to open it. So let's try it out. Okay, here is now requiring my Face ID. I don't want to place it there so that I will show you how it works. Okay, but if you want to, you can close it again and then try opening it again. And here I have placed my Face ID and it has opened. On the other hand, you can remove the lock anytime you want to. And for you to do that, long press on the same app. This will present you with some options. Select the option Don't require Face ID. Then place your face and the lock is now removed. So with this, anytime you want to access the app, you can do that freely without requiring any passcode or Face ID. So let's try it out. And as you can see, the app has now opened freely without any requirement for passcode or Face ID. So use this method to lock some apps you consider sensitive that you don't want all eyes to see on your iPhone. But for you to do this, ensure that you have upgraded your iPhone to iOS 18.
I believe you find this guide helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to my channel. Here we discuss technology which cuts across so many areas, so please subscribe to learn. Hit the like button, the one that points up like this, so that YouTube recommend this content to more people. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know if this video is helpful or you have extra question. Just drop it in the comment section. All right. So learn more on how to make good use of the connectivity functionality on iPhone, consider watching this video. Thank you and see you some other time.